Greetings, it's MaxOdiddly here, and today I am going to be showing you a really quick way on how you can get a JavaScript console to wait for user input before it closes. So, if we were to run this program here, as you can see, we're not going to see the important message. However, with this little function, we can make that console stay open and wait for the user to press enter before it then closes, giving us a chance to read the message. So let's get right into it. Firstly, we are going to be making a function so we can literally just copy and paste this into any project we want to. So we're going to do function, keep console open. We are creating a function and it's going to be called keep console open. Inside we are going to do const readLine equals require readLine. And this line creates a variable called readLine and sets it to equal a built-in JavaScript module called readLine. This will be used to get input from the user. After that, we are going to do const readLineInterface equals readLine.createInterface, input process.stdin, output process.stdout, brackets and semicolon. You can put this all on one line if you want to, but I've put it on multiple to make it more readable. This line creates a new variable called readLineInterface. It uses a method from the readLine module called createInterface to create a new object that represents an interface for reading input from the user. This method takes an options object with two properties, input, which is set to keyboard input, and output, which is set to console output. This stands for keyboard input, this stands for console output, by the way. After that, we are going to do another line of code, but I've put it on multiple lines to again make it more readable. readLine.question, press enter to exit. These symbols, readLineInterface.close, process.exit. And then you do brackets and a semicolon again. And this line of code uses the readLineInterface object called question to ask the user to press enter to exit. The question method, it takes in two arguments, the message to display to the user, so the question you want to ask them, and the function to call for when we get user input. The function that we pass to question uses the close method on the readLineInterface object to close the interface. Basically to stop listening for user input from the user. It then uses the exit method, which is another built-in function, and this is going to exit our JavaScript console program, or our Node.JS process. And that's all we have to do for this tutorial. So, what we do is we can now copy and paste this, we can paste this at the end of our program, and we can hit play. And look, we can now see the important message. Please subscribe, and then we can hit enter to exit. So, thanks for watching this tutorial. Be sure to leave a like in the comment if you enjoyed and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. Thanks for watching.